And here we have our shelf in its full glory, fully assembled. As you can see, currently we have it in this configuration, but if we ever so wanted to, we could move around these shelves because every one of these notches is an adjustment point. So we could actually break this down into two shelves with the included extra series of feet that are included in your package. As you saw during the installation process, there was a certain part that connect both of these pieces together, but if we so wanted to, we could actually turn this into two shelves. Now, some key things I wanted to point out what is special about the shelf compared to a lot of the other options on the market. One of being that it's made out of metal, so that's going to make it warp and rust proof. So even though we have a metal, it is laminated, and then it's going to keep all the rust away. Of course, being out of metal, any moisture that might be in the air, because we are kind of in a moist area, is going to make sure that it doesn't bend or flex that a natural product like wood might do. Also want to point out that within the stems of the support beam is double walled. So meaning that you might have other products of a similar design, but they notch into the actual outside and there's only one kind of piece of metal that's holding onto it. This actually has two, which increases the stability and rigidity of this product, making it a lot more secure than comparable other shelves on the market. So if you're looking for a shelf that's going to save space, is lightweight, sturdy, rust-proof, and easy to install, why not check out this industrial heavy-duty shelf? It just might do the trick.